Hello, it's me. I got a bad haircut. Sorry. In? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I'm also kind of sick. And yeah. So, have fun with this video. Don't pick on me. Therapy all time long. My ship went down in the sea of sound. When I woke up alone, I had everything. Handful of moments I wish I could change. And it stung like a nightmare that cut like a blade. In a city of fools, I was careful and cool. It tore me apart like a hurricane. Handful of moments I wish I could change, but I was carried away. Give me therapy. I'm a walking travesty, but I'm smiling at everything. Therapy, you were never a friend to me. You can keep all your misery. My lungs gave out as I faced the crowd. Keep thinking of this is dangerous. Flesh and bone, I'm a rolling stone. And the experts say I'm delirious. Give me therapy. I'm a walking travesty, but I'm silent at everything. Therapy will never get to me. You can take back your misery, arrogant boy. Love yourself so no one has to. You're better off without you, arrogant boy. Doesn't seem like you're supposed to. If fall asleep without you, you're lucky if your memory remains. Give me therapy. I'm a walking travesty, but I'm smiling at everything. Therapy, you were never fair to me. You can take back your misery. Therapy, I'm a walking travesty, but I'm silent at everything. Therapy, you were never a friend to me. And you can choke on your misery. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun with my little sick voice here. Bye.